Hello. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Vicky Forgay. Yes, my last name is funny for gay, and it spells the way it sounds. So you can go ahead and laugh about it. I already did that. I had my fair share of laughs. So today I'm going to be putting together a computer chair that my husband got me for starting YouTube. Since I started YouTube, I have a pretty tall desk. I'm actually not using a computer desk. I'm using an art table from when I was in high school. Shout out to my high school for giving me a art table. I still use that thing, yeah. But I have a chair currently that it just keeps going down every time. It doesn't like to stay high, so it's hard on my wrists, especially whenever I'm typing and editing. So I'm going to be putting together this chair. Y'all enjoy watching me struggle putting this chair together, and I'm going to record this in my living room, so that way I have more space because the kitchen is a little bit small. So that's the chair that Josh bought me. My wonderful husband, so thoughtful. Thank you for buying me this chair without me noticing. Like, really? How did you do that without me noticing?
Never thought that we'd go this far. Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe at home? So that I'm counting days until the second go. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around to start at top the lungs. It's all you need to do.
There it is. Took me forever. Well, it was only 45 minutes. My chair. Ready to go. Look at it. So pretty. Ooh. Bow, 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 bow. Ooh, my chair is so pretty and look, it's sexy. Ooh. Here we go. Fix and try it. Oh. Ooh, that is very comfortable. I like it. Thank you, honey. Thank you for buying me this chair. Look, I did my hair. Oh, it's coming apart. Oh, well. Oh. Now I'm just going to sleep in it. See? You shouldn't have bought me a chair. I'm just going to sleep in it, and I'm not going to get any job or work done. I'm not going to get anything done. All because this chair's too comfortable. I'm just so satisfied with this chair. Let's see. I don't know how to make it do things. I'll figure it out. Hey, I got my chair done. It's been sitting in my kitchen for a while now, but I finally got it out. Got my living room cleared out just so I could do this. And now I'm gonna sign out because I have to go to bed. I got church tomorrow. I like my new chair. I love it. Thank you, honey. Thank you. I love you. Don't forget to comment below what you want to see in the next video. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and turn on, not off, the notification. I forgot about that too. Okay, see y'all later.